Alright, Larned, America. It's 80 degrees, partly cloudy. If there aren't people golfing today, it's a fucking travesty. And I might just retire from this sport of mine. Oh, there's some golfers up there, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to. No, I might. It looks like they're kind of teeing off. Oh, I gotta circle around for this shit. That's just too good. That's just too perfect. Shows how desperate I am to fuck with some of these people. Alright, golfer. I'm just gonna sit here and wait for your dumb ass too. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's fucking great. A little too early though. I'm gonna do it again. That's fucking great. Oh, that's fucking awesome. Well, that just made my day a whole hell of a lot better. It's gonna be a shitty week, but by God, that was pretty damn amazing. I'm gonna have to turn around more often. It's tough to time it just right, so that was beautiful. Signing off.